Nagesh Karajagi Orchid channel, myself Harsha teacher. As in last period, we have learned big, bigger, biggest. So today we are going to learn tall, taller, tallest, okay, and long, longer, longest. So first of all, we will see some practical things, that the difference between tall, taller and tallest, okay. But before that, I will ask you that in your home, different size of peoples are there. Yes, the baby who is tall and the other, for example, baby is tall. You, bhaiya or didi is taller and your mother or father, they are tallest. Why we say like this? Because the height of these three peoples are different. Okay, three people's heights are different. When that baby stands, she looks like tall, and when you stand, then you look like a taller. But when mama stands or papa stands or teacher stands with you, that time you look like a tallest. So I will show you the difference between tall, taller, tallest. So now this, I am having one book in my hand. I will show you this book as tall book, okay. This book as tall book, and the other book I am showing you, that I will say tallest book. Why? Because the book, this book is taller than this book. This is, see the height of that books. So we say this book is tall and this book is taller. Now leaving these two books, third book I will show, that I will call as tallest. Okay, what I will call? Tallest. See, tallest. Okay, why I told this book as tallest? Because the height of this book is big than these two books. Okay, so what we have learned now? Tall, taller, tallest. See, first one book is tall. This is, everybody will tell, yes, taller, and this is tallest. So tall, taller, tallest. Okay, got it? It depends on height, 1, 2 and 3 steps. Okay, so now open your page number 177. Have you opened page number 1717? Yes, okay. Now see, T-A-L-L tall, T-A-L-L-E-R taller, T-A-L-L-E-S-T tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. So in this picture, what we can see? Here the girl is there, here the boy is there, and here the woman is there. Okay. So how the girl is there? See, tall. Tall means she is like this standing and she is tall. And then boy is taller than girl and the woman is taller than boy. So, sorry, tallest. So, see, ये लड़की है, ये लड़की से लड़का बड़ा है, तो we call that taller. ये लड़के से ये बड़ी है, तो we say tallest. We have to see the height. Okay, see height. इससे ये बड़ी है तो taller, इससे ये बड़े हैं तो tallest. So we say this picture as tall, this as taller, and this as tallest. Okay. So now what we have to do? So now see, what we have to do? We will see. D-R-A-W, draw a T-A-L-L-E-R taller, G-L-A-S-S glass, A-N-D and C-O-L-O-U-R color. Draw a taller glass and color. So here the glass is tall one, and then here we have to draw little bit big, that is taller. So with the teacher you have to draw. First you have to draw like this oval shape. Okay. After drawing this oval shape, slanting line you have to draw like this, and then sleeping line. Got it? So see, here this glass is tall one and we have drawn little bit big than tall one, so it is taller. Now color that glass. Okay, like this you have to color. Next one now. DR, draw a TALLER taller, FLOWER flower, AND and COLOUR color. Draw a taller flower and color. So here see, once again how we saw that glass is tall one, they have drawn like this, flower also they have drawn small one. So here we have to remove taller. Which flower? Taller flower. So see, first you have to draw a circle and then like this you have to draw, slowly you draw, nice you draw like teacher. Okay, after drawing like this you have to draw one line and then here like this leaves. Okay, and this flower you have to color. You can you can color which you like. I am coloring with red. If you like sunflower, you can draw sunflower. If you like rose, you can draw rose. Okay. So in this way, today we have learned the concept of tall, taller and tallest, and we have drawn taller glass and taller flower. I will wait for 1 minute, just you draw and color it. Finish? Now open your next page, that is 1818. So now we will see TICK tick, THE the, TALLEST tallest, THING thing, IN in, EACH each, BOX box. See now, tick the tallest thing in each box. Now we can see there are different 4 boxes. In that different 4 boxes, different pictures we can see, and now in first box we have to see which picture. Okay, which now this is tall, this is taller and this is tallest. Why we say like this? Because this is in the size, this is tall, more than little bit big this one is there, so we say tallest, and little bit this one is big, so we say tallest. Okay, tall, taller, tallest. Got it? Tall, taller, tallest. So here they have told us to see the picture and tick the tallest one. So here this one is the tallest one, so I will tick there. You have to tick here. Okay, yes. And now next, what you can see here? Here see, it was proper in sequence, but here it is different. Here is tall, here is taller and here is tallest. So this tallest part we have to tick here. Got it? Now here see, we can 1, 2, 3, then tall, taller, tallest. So here we have to tick. Now you will tell me in these 3 trees which is tallest one. This one, first one? Yes, it is? No. Then very good, third one. So third one is tallest. So we have to tick the third one. Okay. I will wait for a minute, you do that. So just now we have learned tall, taller, tallest. Okay. Now the next one is that long, longer, longest. We are going to learn long, longer, longest. So you see, long, longer, longest means how we can understand. The things which are long means, for example, now I will show you. See, this is long. Okay, got it? Long. In this size it is long. Okay, and the another size I will show you. Okay, this is long and this is longer. This is long and this is longer. And now I will show you the longest one. See, this is longest one. Yes, this is longest one. So we have to see that the pictures which we have or the things which we have in our hand, in that we have to see which is the long, which is the longer and which is the longest. Okay. Now you will open page number 1919. So see page number 19, 1919. L-O-N-G long, L-O-N-G-E-R longer, L-O-N-G-E-S-T longest. Long, longer, longest. So in this picture, can you see what you see? Pencil. Okay. The same size pencils are there? No. This is long pencil. This is longer pencil and this is longest pencil. Okay. So when we have new pencil, how it looks like? It looks like longest. It looks like longest. And after using that pencil, when we sharpen that pencil, it becomes longer. Okay. Yes. And then it becomes, when we use more and when we sharpen more, it becomes this much only, that is long pencil. Okay. See, long, longer, longest. When we use pencil for more days, it becomes long. But before that, when we use pencil little, means few days only, that time the pencil is longer. But when we purchase new pencil, at that time pencil looks like longest. समझ में आया? जब पेंसिल हम लोग यूज करते हैं बहुत दिन, 10 डेज, तो पेंसिल इतनी छोटी होकर उसको हम लोग लॉन्ग बोलते हैं. पेंसिल यूज करते हैं थोड़े दिन के लिए, 2-3 डेज के लिए, तो पेंसिल लॉन्गर रहती है. और जब हम लोग पेंसिल नया लेते हैं तब वो पेंसिल लॉन्गेस्ट रहती है. यस, लॉन्गेस्ट, लॉन्गर, लॉन्ग. गॉट इट? So now here we will see what they have told us to do. T-I-C-K tick, the, L-O-N long, G-E-S-T guest, T-H-I-N-G thing, I-N in, E-A-C-H each, S-C-T set. Tick the longest thing in each set. So to understand this concept properly, you have to take front of you these types of things and then you will get it properly. So see, L-O-N-G long, L-O-N-G-E-R longer, L-O-N-G-E-S-T longest. So here what they have told us, tick the longest thing in each set. Longest means this time. See, L-O-N-G-E-S-T longest, L-O-N-G-E-S-T longest. So like this longest thing we have to see here. What you can see in this picture? Yes, very good. Yes, we can see brush are there. Yes, brush. Here different colors of brush are there, different size of brush are there. So in this we have to see which is the longest one. So we have to take the longest brush. You will tell me which color of the brush we can say longest? Yellow one? Then what type of that yellow brush is there? Yes, long. Very good. Clap your hands for yourself. Yes. Then which one you will tell? Which is the longest one? Yes, anybody can tell me? Yes, very good. Red color brush is longest one. Yes, yellow color brush is long one. And the purple color brush is longer one. So, we have to tick here in longest one. Okay? Yes. Now, like that same in leaves, we will see. What you know ये क्या है? You know? Yes, leaves. पेड़ के पत्ते हैं. पेड़ के पत्तों को हम लोग leaves बोलते हैं. Okay. So here, see the color is same here. Yes, or different color? No, the colors are same, but the size are different. See, now in this, which is the longer one? See, listen properly what I am asking you. I ask you, in these three leaves, which is longer one? Yes, longer one I ask you. Yes, very good. First one is the longer one. Very good. And which is the long one? Third one? No. Then, yes, very good. Second one is the long one. So, we have to tick this third one, longest one. Yes, very good. You are giving the answers, means you are getting the concepts. Very good. Clap your hands for yourself, everybody. Yes, I will wait for a minute and just you tick that. So, open the next one, page number 2020. Color the longest scarf. So, you have to color the longest scarf. Now, tell me which is the longest scarf? Anybody can tell me? Yes, number 3 is longest one. So, you have to color. You color with your favorite color. Like this properly you have to color. Okay. I am going to color with two colors. You color. If you want one color, you can color with one color. If you want two color, you can color with two color. Okay. Now see, draw a longer worm. So we have to draw. So how to draw? I will show you. You have to draw. Like this, like this, like this. Okay. Then put your eyes. Then like this draw the see. Okay. Now next. Yes, I will wait for 1 minute. Yeah. Finish. Now next, draw a line longer than this line below it. Now they have given us like this line. So now we have to draw longer one. So this is longer one. So we have to draw a longer one. Okay, like this. Got it? Yes. Now in your workbook you have to open page number 12. Page number 12. And there you have to write HW homework. Page number 1313 HW homework. Page number 1414 HW homework. Okay? Everybody got it? Yes? So, page number 1 to 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 3 pages are for homework. You have to practice at home. You have to practice at home, so you will get proper ideas and if you see the practical things, you take something from your home, keep in a line and then say, so you will get it properly. Thank you.